So let's talk about your project for the 6 weeks. Here's your rubric. I can't see all of it, sorry. Here's your rubric. This will be on Google Classroom shortly. You're going to make me a brochure. You know what a brochure is, right? Like brochure, we open it, we see all the stuff, there's stuff all over the place. I have very specific places that I want everything. So I'm going to put some templates on Google Classroom as well. What I do not want you to do is print off a template and fill it in. I want you to create a brochure. Okay? You have a couple choices of topics. Here's choices of topics. Factoring, systems of equations, or solving quadratics. Oh my gosh, we just did this. Oh my gosh, we just did this. Oh my gosh, we just did this. So it's all in your head still, right? Okay? So like I said, the templates will be online so you know what to do. But notice in factoring, we've got some in difference of squares, some in difference of cubes, trinomials, leading coefficient of 1, leading coefficient not 1, grouping, and then on the back is greatest common factor. Notice in solving equations, this one has a monster with teeth. There's completing the square, there's graphing, there's square roots, there's factoring, and there's quadratic formula. Notice on systems of equations, there's substitution, graphing, matrices, and elimination. So this is like definitely linear, right? And then on the back is instructions on how to solve it with the matrix. Okay? But there's examples all the way through here, right? Some of them have 2 examples, some of them have 3. That's just based on the difficulty of the type of part that you're doing. All of that is in the templates that will be on Google Classroom, so you know. See, this one has 3, this one has 3, and so on. You see what I'm saying? Notice, please, though, on the front, what every single one of them have. They have a title, they have a picture, and they have a name and a class period. Okay? Notice on your rubric, title, name, class period, topic chosen, graphic or picture, readability, folding, number of folds, format. Everything is here. So you know exactly what I'm expecting. You're deciding what you get by making sure you do all the stuff you're supposed to do. Does that make sense? Okay. So topic chosen, you get points for choosing an approved topic, or if I give you a topic. Which one would you rather do? If I give you a topic, you get 0 points. If you get an approved topic, you get 5 points. So also on Google Classroom will be a Google form that you fill out and tell me which one of these 3 you're going to do. That's literally what you have to do to get 5 points. Pretty easy 5 points. Also, look, name present, name not present. If you write your name, you get 5 points. Can you handle this? Okay, notice please in all these samples that I have for you, because see, some of them you said memes, right? Well, that's a monster. That's just a beautiful penguin. Also another beautiful penguin. This one is a penguin, but maybe not as beautiful, but I still like it. A tree, another meme, a picture of a pig, or I mean a cat from Minecraft. Is that a cat? Okay. But there's a picture of some sort, right? Here's what I want you to notice, though, of all the ones that I'm showing you right now. How many of these are typed? None. This is not a test to see if you know how to use Canva. Okay? The project is not about knowing if you know how to do that. Okay? This is a project seeing if you know all of the stuff about factoring, solving quadratics, and systems of equations. So this is handwritten. Now, some of these pictures are drawn. Some of them are printed out. I had one earlier where they actually printed like the picture on the paper and then wrote on that paper. Some of the people printed it out and then taped it on. You see the difference? Okay? But none of this is typed. I don't want typed. I want handwritten. I want you to be able to be creative with your hands. Does everybody understand that? I understand there's technology that can do this for us. That's not what I'm giving you a project over. Everybody understand that? Okay? Notice at the bottom of the rubric are the due dates. The first day you can turn it in is Monday when we get back from Thanksgiving. And if you turn it in on that day, you get 20 points. The last day I will take it is Friday, December 3rd. You get 0 points for that day. But guess what about Monday, December 6th? Yeah, I don't take it. So if you're planning on being absent on this Friday, you better turn it in on Thursday or Wednesday or Tuesday or Monday. Everybody understand? This will be on Google Classroom. Your templates will be on Google Classroom. Your Google form to choose and tell me which one you're going to be doing will be on Google Classroom. Any questions?